Welcome to Rajveer as well. Today we are doing unboxing of this magazine toys. First, the name of the magazine is Fun to Learn Friends, issue 492. And first we're unboxing Super Things. Let's see what's inside this. We're just checking who he is. What's his name? It's a toy. The next toy is this mission set. Help me open this. So we're just opening this Paw Patrol set. It's a mission set. And we have this opened, and you have to trace over Chase. It has this inside it. So we're supposed to put this in here. And here's a Paw Patrol Chase badge. And we have this. It's a Paw Patrol key. And here's a sticker, I think. Yeah, it's a sticker. And then we're just getting the next toy. After, I just told them. Actually, we're just doing the book for now. Here are the stickers, and also this, and this Pivotal Story, and Paddington, and the Bing Story, and the Bluey Tracing thing. And then it's Ben and Holly Spring Flowers. And then it says Meet the Match. And this is about Peppa Pig numbers. And the letter F. And then it's Peppa Pig colouring. And then it's Peppa's family colouring. And then it's a Peppa Pig activity. And it says Be Lion. Use your star stickers to solve the picture grid puzzles. It says write your name on the line. Hail from the spare springtime. Little artist. Count, sound, spell, solve, match and look. And then there's a Blaze the Monster Truck story. And then there's a Bippy crafting with roots and stuff. And then there's a friendling thing, and who's your favourite character? And then there's Hey Doggy. And then there's the Sunny Bunny's Matt. And with Matty. And then there's Baby Shark from Ping Pong. And then this is a story called Who Can Play. And then the Guffalo. And then the stickers. And then that's the end of the book. Get the magazines. So you stick, win, play, and everything. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.